gotten in my car because it's starting to get really windy. You can see stuff blowing away. There's a lot of dust and dirt, but it's coming. It's probably 5 minutes away, 5-10 minutes. Some guys that were working on the roof over there for a while. I'm up at the top of the neighborhood here. I wish this street light wasn't on behind me, but it looks like it's coming from over in this direction. It's very windy. All this dust. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. Take my keys out. There we go. Oh shit. Yeah, it's coming. Oh wow, I just saw maybe a transformer blew up over there. It was a greenish blue color. Sure, any minute it'll start raining. Maybe we can hear it coming in. Sun's still setting over there, or already set. Kind of want to go behind that house, but I don't want to be out in the middle of the fucking open at the top of a hill during the beginning of a thunderstorm. Got some post 10 no cuts edit right here. Hopefully I don't miss anything good. So I was looking up different kinds of light that is produced from lightning. Purple, it's also, this seems to be more purple and bluish if I'm correct, but that means high precipitation storm or kind of lightning. So, and then hail is solid precipitation, so it's likelihood that there may be hail. Oh, I just missed a good one over here. See if we can focus over here for a bit. Looking over on the other side. I wonder what that transformer was, if that was a transformer that blew up or what. I don't know if there's good focus. You can kind of see a better picture over here, I feel. The wind's kind of gone down a little bit. Just a little bit. Ooh, there's a good one on this side over here. I'm definitely getting in the middle of it, I feel. Could be any moment where it's... Although, nothing... I haven't heard any thunder, so nothing striking. There's some big ones over here. See if I can get some. It's right above that house. That first house. There's 3 unbuilt houses over there. There's some big ones out there. It's kind of going down a little bit. Oh, that brings the light on everything. There was a cop driving around down there. I didn't know if he was picking on someone. Oh, those construction guys look like they're watching their storm too over there. Let's see what's going on over here. Every time I switch, something better happens on the other side, so. This way I can see both angles of the storm. Oh, something's going on over here. A lot of activity. Alright, I'm gonna stop for now. Unless something happens. Ooh, saw that one. Yeah, interestingly enough, no thunder yet. This is what I call heat lightning, I believe. Just kind of rumbling up in the clouds. Ooh, there's a big one over here on the other side of where I'm filming. Oh, saw that one. Hopefully I got that one. It's crazy. Yeah, this one, yeah, it's starting to come above us. I think there's, isn't there, two different kinds of lightning? There's like jumping lightning and then heated lightning. Jumping lightning is the one that like spreads out into a, but it doesn't strike. Oh, another transformer over here. Damn. Or something. It was that blue and green. This is where the city is. Some kind of blue and it lasts for like maybe a second or two. Dang. It's getting very windy. Wow. It has to be a transformer. The city is this way. The way that I'm not filming is Government Canyon. But there's Medina. Oh, fuck. That was good. Medina Lake is on this other side, but maybe 20 miles more north. What we're looking to is, let's say like east almost. Oh, hell yeah. That was a good one. Oh, there was a good one over here. This storm seems closer where I'm filming now. Or at least it's striking closer. Oh yeah, see? It's coming. Damn, this is wild. Let's see if I can, yeah, I'm gonna get out. It's kind of slowed down a little bit. Still from my, is my flash on? No. You can see it's just covering up the sunset over there. What's left of it. Very cool. Looks like we're getting some activity over here. Wow, I'm surprised. Clear skies after that. It doesn't look like, looks like it's more over here with the rain and before the storm. You can just hear like all the animals starting to bark. I think I heard a bird, some kind of wild bird, I don't know. All the animals started barking and then the wind started blowing in. I've been up here maybe 30 minutes, right when the sun was going down. Some distant rumbles over there. This is all just neighborhood. Fuck. Over to my right. Oh shit, yeah, it's coming. Over to my right is the city, 1604, over here in that corner behind the house. The wind is blowing directly at the camera, probably disrupting the sound, but my dad found this old VHS camera, and the first thing I thought was bringing it out and filming a thunderstorm. I just ordered some batteries for it. Oh wow, that lit up the whole sky. Yeah, it looks like it's clear back up in there, but I'm not sure. See stars, so it may be just pretty cloudy.